iCHEC, Ireland's National Centre for Technical Computing, works with public, private and academic sectors to enable the adoption of novel ICT technologies. iCHEC develops tailored software solutions, provides near-mission critical services and delivers education and training. iCHEC also operates Fionn, Ireland's national supercomputer, as well as a number of leading-edge test platforms, making it a national resource with an international reach. Successful adoption of novel ICT technologies is challenged by the global skills shortfall. In partnership with Irish universities, iCHEC develops custom and accredited training programmes.
Alan Kinney, IT Manager, General Motors. General Motors are going through a huge IT transformation at the moment. We needed to create a high-performance compute team, as we've got the #1 compute power in the automobile industry. We very quickly found that we had a skills gap in the market. iCHEC came to the table, designed and have now delivered a training course specific to our needs and tailored to the technologies that we use within GM. We're operational, the team is in place, but it doesn't end there, as we're going to have a multi-year engagement with iCHEC and we look forward to working with them well into the future.
My name is John Dunn and I head up the Administrative Data Centre at the Central Statistics Office in Ireland. On an international dimension, CSO and iCHEC have come together as part of a United Nations-led initiative around the modernisation of statistical systems. On a national level, iCHEC are assisting us through training initiatives and workshops and helping us to upgrade the data skills across the public sector. I believe that this relationship will continue to deliver value for both organisations going forward.
My name is Michaela Blott. I'm heading a small research organisation within Xilinx Ireland. Our technology enables a new generation of computer architectures which is higher performant and higher power efficient. However, as these hardware architectures become more and more complex, we need a new generation of design environments that abstract away the complexity of the hardware. iCHEC really helps us with the proliferation of the design expertise, as they can develop the educational material that is required to train up the next generation of programmers.
Leo Clancy, I head the ICT division at IDA Ireland. We believe that HPC has significant job creation potential for Ireland. We think that partnering with iCHEC is a great way to strengthen our future value proposition in this area.